In a dim city alley, a shy calico cat spots a shivering puppy and hugs the rain with quiet bravery. She circles him with careful paws, nudges a crumb toward his trembling snout, and teaches him to trust a stranger's warmth. Together, they improvise a shelter from a cracked crate, sharing soft purrs, wagging tails, and anxious glances at the storm outside. When a passerby pauses, the duo's brave bond sparks courage, guiding the person to safety and leaving food that feeds both. Dawn reveals a new home as the cat curls beside the puppy, eyes bright with hope.